Welcome to the tutorial for Guidance IAS new app which has been launched recently. So let's begin. First of all, when you log in, you see this home screen. You go to the three bars icon which is on the left top corner of the screen. Just click this and the sidebar will open. You scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you can see the app version listed over there. The most recent version is the version number 2. If it's not version number 2 in your app, that means that you need to update it. So go the best way to update the app is to first uninstall it, then clear your cache memory, and then go to the app store and install the app again. After you have updated, you will see the changed version number. It should be version number 2 at the moment. You can update your profile. You go to the top of the sidebar and you see your profile icon there. Just click the pencil icon and you can see your profile. From in that again you click the pencil icon and you can update your profile from there. So that's how you update your profile. Going back now, this is the main section. Go to live classes. In the live classes, you will see all the courses listed. If you have not purchased any of the course, just go to that course and click that course icon, and in the bottom you can see buy now. Just click that buy now button and you will head it towards the payment gateway, and once purchased, you will see that the course is subscribed by you. There is the label of subscribed below that course, so that means that you have subscribed the course. Once subscribed, click the course again, and then you can see the recent classes tab. Inside that there will be some scheduled classes with date wise. You can click any of the dates and start the class. Okay, this is not okay. So this is how the class
No
will
one is
start.
able to.
So just below the class you can see some slides and PDFs available. You can download it from there. And moving ahead, there is another tab of classroom content just beside this recent classes. Just click that tab. You can see the topics. In that topics you can see videos, exercises and notes. All these all the videos available are not live. They are the offline videos which you can access and when they are available. So click the exercises tab and you will see the test series tests which are available in the course. Then next in the notes tab you can see all the notes listed. You can download all the notes from here also. Coming back to the home page, so all other sections are just not important. The free video section will display all the videos which are free. The test series section is still under construction. Once available you will be informed. And the video courses section also contains all the courses, but only the offline videos will be available here. And as of now we are not giving the offline videos here. It will be available in the live classes sections only, so you don't need to go in this video courses. Ebooks, currently there are no ebooks, so once we have updated, it will be shown here. In the offer section there will be some offers. If they are available, we will provide to you. Then coming to the feed section, it's still under construction. It will be updated and informed to you. uh, in the contacts section, the helpline numbers are available. You can always call or WhatsApp us, and we will be able to assist you. You can go to the app store and give us some reviews about our app. Also give us the suggestions, and we will be trying to improve our app accordingly. You can give us ratings. Please provide us good ratings so that we will be able to help you better. Also, you can share this app with your friends, and you can earn some points. And when the points have been accumulated, you can also purchase some books or videos from the app. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, YouTube, and give us some likes. That's all, guys. Thank you and have a nice day.